Hello everyone. So as was mentioned before, this conference is going to be 100% in English. Bienvenue à tout le monde. Donc comme ce qui vient d'être précisé précédemment, cette conférence va être 100% d'anglais. Donc vous avez des cases de traduction qui sont disponibles là. Si vous n'avez pas encore pris vos casques, n'hésitez pas à le faire. La traduction est simultanée du début à la fin de la conférence. So now I'm going back to English and it's going to be English until the end of the conference. So this is our third time at the VAD trade show and the sixth time we're organizing a web analytics event in Lille. And this time, because we have a world-class, worldwide keynote speaker from the US, Matt Bailey, we really wanted to have as much as people to benefit from this content. So that's why we are making this conference in 100% English, so we can have people coming from the UK and also coming from Belgium, and so that they can attend the conference. So regarding this event won't be possible without the wonderful help of the VAD e-commerce team and also all the partners, exhibitors. And we have a very beautiful room. We have TV, everything. So that's very marvelous. So thank you very much to everyone, and also thank you very much to Matt for traveling from the US and keynoting between us today. So I would like to start with a few minutes about the Web Analytics Lille community. Because there are some changes regarding the community. I've noticed that not only we have a very active community in Lille with 250 members on LinkedIn, but also there is also a very active community in Belgium. And so the idea is basically to better integrate Lille and the Flemish and the Wallon side of Lille into a joint community. So now there is a new logo for the community. The logo is both in Dutch and French. And from now on, the Web Analytics Lille website is in 3 languages, French, Dutch, and English. And also something we want to do to better create a cross-border cooperation is that we are going to organize a Web Analytics Lille dinner in Moucron. So it's going to be November, December, date to be determined. So the idea is to remake the first French-Belgium dinner and being able to have both people from Wallonie, Flanders, and France gathering together on Web Analytics. So please join the Web Analytics Lille group on LinkedIn so you can know the exact date. And also a big change we are going to make to the community is that the Web Analytics Camp, which is the yearly conference on Web Analytics in ERA Technology. So this year it's going to be on March 22nd. And this year, our plan is to have the 50% of the content in French and 50% in English, so that we can also include people from the Dutch-speaking part of Belgium and also people from England also if they want to come too. So these were key announcements on the Web Analytics community. So this conference is co-organized with the SEO Camp. SEO Camp is a French-speaking association on SEO. And we've been talking about for a long time about making a joint conference on Web Analytics, and with Matt coming, it was a perfect alignment of planets. So I'm very happy that we were able to make this conference, both the SEO and Lille community. So I'm going to pass on the mic to Nicolas, who is going to present the SEO Camp community and SEO Camp association.
Hi everyone, I'm here to present you my association around the SEO. In SEO Camp, so we have an association to develop a community around SEO. Our members are passionate people and also SEO workers, independent workers. And we don't represent companies or associations, we are independent. We have like 120 active members since 2008. In 2010, we organized 45 events in France and also in other countries like in Belgium, in Algeria, and Canada. So we have different types of events like SEO aperitif, and lunch and dinners between SEO and professionals. We organize also speed recruiting. So speed recruiting is a meeting between recruiters and SEO seekers. And we have, you can see that on my slide, that Lille is the second place in France in terms of activity about SEO. We also created a certification called SEO, and SEO, which check the knowledge of the candidates. The aim is to evaluate the marketing and technical level of the different candidates. And the first SEO will take place in Lille on the 28th of October. SEO Campus is our main event, an annual seminar during 2 days. Our seminar the next one will take place in March 2012. And for example, 2 years ago, we received the Google Search Quality team in our event. So it's a big event with like 300 people. Now let's talk with Renaud Joly, who is a member of SEO Camp.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Just one word about me. I'm Renaud Joly from the SEO Camp. About our 5 topics. 5 topics which has been selected by the way of an online vote on internet. One topic is the first topic is about search KPIs. Then we'll talk about mobile search and multi-touch analysis. And then we'll have webmaster tools. One word about our keynote speaker, which is Matt Bailey. Matt Bailey is a search engine marketing teacher. Matt Bailey speaks about web analytics, SEO, and internet marketing. Matt Bailey is also an author of internet marketing, an hour a day. This book, you can read it. And Matt Bailey will talk us about these 5 topics. The rules, we have 10 minutes by subject, 10 minutes to cover each topics. And then we will have 5 minutes of Q&A session about these topics. You can ask some question by Twitter. We will have an hashtag, if you want. We have a Foursquare badge. You can check in. And then, after the show, we'll have a networking session at the bar, just on the right. So please join me to welcome Mr. Matt Bailey. One word.